Okay, we're live. Yay. Today is, what is today? Okay, where are we? Today is 11:05, 23 February 2023. Okay, you see that there? Great. Alright, fine. And I have a picture on the screen for the YouTube people and for the Facebook people that way back in, what was this? February 29th, is that right? 2008. Okay, I bought this model, and as you can see, it came with that button missing. Okay, anyway, that's the only thing that's missing aside from the usage wear that this thing has and so on and so forth. All right, and anyway, here it is. Okay, now I want to play it for you, or I want to attempt to play it for you, if you will. Okay, I've been playing with it right now, but I haven't been able to get much of it to work. Alright, but I will try and do this. Alright, let me flip that around so I can see, if you can see what I'm doing with it. Okay, I have a CD plugged into the back. It's playing, and I have the volume on halfway, and the balance is in between. The bass and treble are set wherever they're at, and I have it. Oh, I unplugged it. Okay, let's see, where is the plug? Let me plug it in. Okay, if I plug it in, the motor will run for the tape deck, but nothing works because, well, it needs a belt, right? But if I be quiet, maybe you can hear it. Undone. So there it is. The motor's running. Alright, so much for that. Now, I have the CD on. Now this does not have a CD input specifically. It only has a phono input. So I have it plugged into the headphone output jack, not the line in, because line in is too high for the input for this. So I have it plugged into the headphone out with the volume down low. Okay, so I don't blow the circuits, but I'm having an issue with the speaker connections on the back here. So as I play with the speaker connections, so is that the radio? That's the radio, I think. So I have this one speaker working over here. This one's working, okay, but this one's not working. But if I play with the thing in the back here, wait. Well, there we go. Now both speakers are working. So, just so we know, it's a CD player, right? So it's there's a parallel meter in case you can't tell, but there it is right there, right? We have it's very tiny to turn, but this has a really good deep bass to it, as you can probably hear, but the tape player doesn't work, so it's like eject, there's that, and then of course the motor's running, but hit that, nothing happens, hit this, nothing happens. This is a soft touch solenoid controlled deck, so these new belts in there, and it's got an individual record that, it's got Dolby, record mute, tape mode. It's got a 3 times tape search over here. It's got a loudness button. Oh wow, that's really good loudness. Okay. briefly throw it on radio. So there's the radio. Radio works.
Call 214 injured. If no recovery, no expense or fees. Been that way since '83. Mullenandmullen.com.
Hey, honey, what's with this?
Boulevard. We had an accident there in the left lane. A little bit of a slowdown from right around the Bush Turnpike. But traffic.
So again, you have to really turn the volume down on something like this to play it through here, but it will work. Anyway, I'm going to go through this unit here and take this unit out. The radio doesn't need any work to it. Okay, and let me just flip it around so you can see. Let's see here. This is very heavy. I don't know what it weighs, but I'm guessing it weighs at least 20 pounds. This is your power supply down here, which has got, you put batteries in the front of it. This is like that, and this is the power supply going into the main unit, and then this is the power, or the signal cord from the main unit up here to that, and then this is the line out jack only. You got a little beat cut back here, you got a ground for your phono, and there's your speaker wires, but I have to probably resolder this because it feels like it has a cold solder joint in these here, so I'll have to resolder that. Okay, and this will be for sale once I get it done because I have too many radios. Alright, so I just want to show this to you briefly. And let's see here. When you do see these out here in the world, you see them without this handle. So here's the handle, and I'm not going to, let's see here. You slide this. You slide this back, right? Slide this. Let's see here. Well, I'm not going to go through that, but this is. The handle does come off, and you can separate the speakers and all that, but I'm not going to mess with that right this minute in this video because this is something you basically can carry around. Let's see here. The battery compartment is here. Let's see here. Open. Here it is like this, and you pull out this whole thing. Let's see here. Pull this whole thing out, and you put 9 batteries into this thing. Okay, and you slide this. Here are your battery contacts right here, both battery contacts. Put the whole thing back in. You slide that back in like that, and then you can play. So it's in there, right? So you close it. Let's see here. No, it goes away. There it is. So. But I hope to get this tape player working soon, today. This is my project. I have other radios, but this is what I want to work on now. Alright, so thanks for watching. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to get to it. Okay, so let me take this camera. Hello!